How to schedule a post on Instagram. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is really important. Once you open up your Instagram app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right and you should get to your profile page. Once you're here, click on this 3-bar icon at the top right and you should be at the settings page. Scroll down to the very bottom and under the For Professional section, click on Account Type and Tools. And what we're going to do first is to switch our personal account to a professional one if it is still not a professional account. So just do that. Click on Continue at the bottom and choose what best describes you. So I'm just going to choose Digital Creator. Click on Done and choose whatever on these options. Click on Next at the bottom and that should create your professional account. Once you're done, let's try creating a post right here. Click on the plus icon at the bottom middle. And for example, I'm going to post this photo. Click on Next at the top right and then you can customize everything if you want. Click on Next at the bottom right and from here we can type in our caption, and once we scroll down at this page, click on Advanced Settings and you should be able to see the Schedule This Post option. So you can just click on this toggle button right here and you will be asked to choose the date and time so that you can schedule your post. For example, I want to post this today at 7:30 p.m. Just click on Done. And you can also try some settings right here. And after you're done with that, just go back to the page and click on Schedule at the bottom middle. And click on Share Post right here. And Instagram will have this notification that your post is scheduled for that specific time. Click on your profile icon again. And you can see where your scheduled post at. This is another important step. Just click on this 3-bar icon at the top right again. Let's scroll down a bit and under the For Professional section, we can see the scheduled content. And this is where we can edit some details. If you have some details you want to edit, you can click on them and click on Edit Post, reschedule, or delete the scheduled post if you'd like. And that is how you can basically schedule a post on Instagram.